Dean, you like matchstick problems, don't you?
I love them.
Of course you do. I know that. I can read your mind.
That's impossible.
No.
I don't know what I'm thinking myself half the time.
Well, have a look at this. I'll test you. Or you can test me. Here we are. I've got matches. Quite happy? Normal matches?
Yes, certainly.
Well, let's put a few out. Okay, there's a pile of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7... I'll make another pile. 1, 2, 3. That'll do. Okay, put the rest up in there. And you've got to pick one of those piles, and I already know which one you're going to do.
That's impossible.
No, the answer's there. In fact, I've already put it there.
But I haven't made up my mind yet.
Well,
In fact, I think I'll take the... No, I won't. I'll take this pile, the pile of 3.
Well, I said the answer's here.
Yes.
And here it is. Have a look at that.
Amazing.
You'll pick 3.
Well, look, let's do it again, Rob.
Oh, no, I'm tired.
Just one more time, one more time. I insist, absolutely insist. And let's leave the piles as they are,
dear.
7 and 3. And this time my hands will hover over the 3, but then I'll change my mind and come over to the 7, and now I know that you are wrong in
No,
your
I'm
prediction.
not. The answer's there. Have a look.
Can't be.
Open it up. Empty out those matches. Look how many there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Oh, I should have guessed.
I had 17 matches. 1 pile of 3 and 1 pile of 7 is 10. 7 in the box, write 3 underneath, and I'm covered for whichever pile you use. The answer was there all the time.